Okay, so in the last video, I showed you how to use the roughing, and through all of the research and trying things out, I realized that there's actually a step for this base that is missing. And so if we do not have, if we just use the rough, what ends up happening is we get all these tool paths that go around our part, and we made sure that the spindle speeds are 3000 and the step down is 0.18 essentially. The feed rate's 30, the plunge rate's 15, leaf stock is 0, we're clearing voids and faces. But we're noticing something. If we look, we can see that all these tool paths are actually missing this little lip right here. We should have it mill in just a little bit. And so what we need to do is we actually need to enable the outline right here. And what that's going to do is not only mill out the inside, it's actually going to kind of outline all of our part right up to here and give us, if I enable that and recalculate my toolpaths, you'll notice that there's now, and maybe I should make this a little bit bigger or smaller. Actually, we'll try 09. What I'm trying to do is get this toolpath right here that's inside, trying to get that to be essentially in line with this bottom. We're trying to get that toolpath to actually cut out this little lip right here, and that's what I'm mostly worried about. If I try 0.1 for my step down and redo that, you'll notice it doesn't actually do that one at all. So we have to keep that just a little bit smaller, and I think 0.098 hopefully we'll get it close enough. So we're very, very, very close to the right height. We're just a little bit taller, which is not a big deal. It won't affect us drastically, but we do have this tool path that is to the inside of the other tool path. So in addition to the roughing, also do this outline as well and use these settings right here.